If you're new to Blender, you're going to see this interface once you open it. Ignore everything else. We're good if we just know these principal tools, which will shape your object the way you want. First, we have the Move tool, the Rotation tool, and the Scale tool. We can see that Blender gives us a description once you hover over any of them, and also gives us a shortcut for each. G for the Move tool, which stands for Grab, R for Rotation, and S for Scale. For example, we're going to start with the Move tool. Select it from the toolbar, then three axes will appear, each in its direction, X, Y, or Z. You choose where you want to move. Then we select the Rotate tool, keeping our cube selected, and we'll see three circles for the rotation axis, again X, Y, or Z, and we can rotate the way we need. Last, the Scale tool. This tool will scale the object using the same concept as the other tools. If we press Alt plus the shortcut for any of these tools, the modification you made will reset, returning the object to its original state. Alt plus G resets position, Alt plus R resets rotation, and Alt plus S resets scale. Now moving to shortcuts, G for move, we can press X to choose movement on the X-axis or any other axis. R for rotation and choosing one of the axes, S for scale. That's it. Also, we can use the same tools in Edit mode, which we can access by choosing Edit mode instead of Object mode, or just using the Shortcut tab. Here we can see at the top left that we can choose selection by vertices, edges, or faces. We will go for faces and select the top face of the cube. We notice that the same process applies here. We can move in any direction, we can rotate, and we can also scale the face using the same shortcuts or by selecting one of the tools from the toolbar. And that's it. 3 tools are all you need to start using Blender.